Do you want to know how to get where you want to go? To a friend's place? The library? The train station? Use the Google Maps app to find your route to your destination. On the map, you can see the route to your destination and how long it will take to get there by different means of transport. You can choose between walking, cycling, public transport, or a car. Google Maps travels with you along the route and provides detailed directions with audio and video. Following its route and directions, you will find the place you want to go. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Google Maps. Select Google Maps from Google Apps. The blue dot shows your current location on the map. If you do not see the dot, you can turn on the location information from the top menu of your phone. This is how you find the route to the destination you want to go to. Enter the desired destination or its address. Select the desired destination. Your destination is shown on the map with a red symbol. Instead of typing, you can also say the name or address of the destination by speaking. Then press the microphone icon and say the name or address you want to go. Helsinki Railway Station. From this image, you can preview what the place will look like. Press the blue Reittiohjat Directions button. Above, you can choose your means of transport: car, public transport, walking, taxi, or cycling. We are now opting for public transport. Google Maps now shows the route from your current location. If you want a route from another starting point instead of your current location, you can enter the address or name of the starting point. You will first get information about the fastest route. You can see that by public transport, such as bus or train. The journey takes 21 minutes. The app will automatically enter your current time as the leaving time. If you want to leave at another time, you can change it here. You can also change the date if you want to leave tomorrow or even in a week. If you want to arrive at your destination at a specific time, you can specify it by clicking on Saapuminen, Arrival. The route and departure time are then determined on the basis of the desired arrival time. If you have changed the time or date, press Määritä, Set. If you want to view the return trip, you can see it from these arrows. In that case, you may want to set the departure time again, as you may not be returning until 2 or 3 hours later, for example. If you want to know, for example, if the grocery shop at the train station is open, you can search for it by its name. You can also go back to the map and find a place on the map. Let's see when the train station Alepa is open. You can select the place by clicking it. By pressing the blue Directions button, you can get directions to that destination. But if you press the name of the place, you'll get more information. You can see the opening hours from the clock symbol. However, we want directions to the train station. You can press the station icon on the map and the blue Reittiohjat Directions button. We want to go there from our current location, which is already there. Let's look at the route that is being proposed to us. Choose the appropriate route. You can see the route on the map. The blue circles mean walking, and the blue line means public transport. Here you can see what is on the route. On this route, we have a walk and then a trip by train. You will see how many minutes those sections last. Lastly, you will see the destination and the estimated time of arrival there. You will also see the price of the trip if the trip includes public transport such as a train or bus. Press the blue Aloita Start button. Press the speaker icon to give you your voice reminders for the trip.
Kävele 5 minuuttia paikkaan Tapanila. Seuraaviin lähtöihin on 2 minuuttia ja 12 minuuttia.
You can follow the route with picture and sound. The blue dot shows your current position. When you move, it moves with you. Follow the route marked in blue. If you need to travel by train or bus, carefully check its letter or number, place of arrival, and platform, if marked. Get on the vehicle that fills this information. In this case, we have to take the P train, which goes to Helsinki. This icon means train, and this bus. The app will go all the way with you and give you directions. Have a nice trip!